one of the guaranteed questions in A-level chemistry exam are these questions which have IR spectra. So let's walk through one of the past paper questions to try to help you with your exam technique for this type of question. In this question, they have compound L and they have the infrared spectrum for compound L. They give you the molecular formula of the compound, and then they say that compound L reacts with hydrogen in presence of a nickel catalyst to give a compound M, and they want you to identify 3 ways to distinguish the IR spectrum of M from L. Now we need to identify the functional group in compound L, which will give us the unique peaks in the IR spectrum. This compound has nitrogen, which means that it could have either a cyano group or it could have an NH, which means one of the amine compounds. And now let's look at the IR spectrum and look at the data sheet. You can see this peak here at 2220, and between 2220 and 2260 centimeter minus 1, this is a peak for the cyano group. That means the compound L has a cyano group. And then this compound is treated with hydrogen in presence of a nickel, and that means this is going to be reduced to give you an amine. Then that means that compound L has a cyano group, compound M will have an amine. So to identify the 3 differences, we will look at the difference in the peaks related to the difference in the functional group. So the first difference will be the disappearance of the CN peak at 2220 and 2260. So disappearance of the peak at 2220 and 2260 centimeter minus 1 for the cyano group. And then the second one will be the appearance of the new peak for the NH, so appearance of a peak at 3300 and 3500 between these 2 centimeter minus 1 for the NH. And finally, the most important one, if you cannot identify the functional group, remember for any 2 IR spectra, always the fingerprint region will be different. So the if you cannot identify anything, just remember and write this: fingerprint region will differ. Is different for both. So this is at least a guaranteed mark if you cannot identify the functional group or what is the difference between